Excellence. Amanya nze mwesigwa David nga nkola ne Galaxy TV. Mugwo mukaaga lwe nali mu State House, His Excellence natuusa report gye wali nga nkugamba nti amalwaliro naddala ery'emukono Kayunga ne Namuganga Health Center siri mulimu obuze bugamba nti mu ddwaliro ly'emukono General Hospital abakazi bazaalira wansi. Nabo bazadde ku ssaawa 9 bwe zituuka ssaawa 10 kibakakatako kubaga muveeyo ku bitanda mugende ebweru ne weekanga omwana eyazaddwa ng'ali mu mbeera ennungi ng'afunye ammonia kusinziira ku mpewo gy'abafunye ebweru. Ne nkuleetera report enda Kayunga General Hospital oxygen plants zaazikira ka system akamulamba n'ekitundu. Ne nkuleetera Namuganga Health Center 3 nti eddwaliro ddamba lina abasawo 4 naye weekend tekola. His Excellency n'osuubiza nti ogenda kukikwatako naye since then ne kaakati tetulabangako kigenda mu maaso. Abakazi bakyeyongera kuzaalira wansi ekyo kimu. Ekyokubiri weeyongeddeko n'omuze nti omwana omukazi eyandibadde n'amaanyi agazaala kimukakatako kumusindika mu operation b'okusobola kweyolera omusimbi. Kyesitegeera obunafu His Excellency buli side ki buli eri Ministry of Health eri abakulira amalwaliro oba mu ba RDC and DSOs. Eyanza nnyo Mr. Excellence.
Simanyi oba amanyago ani?
Amanya nze mwesigwa David nga nkola ne Galaxy TV.
Simanyi oba mwesigwa onampayiriza simanyi. Kubanga sitera kwerabira, but I don't remember very well. But fortunately now, totumye wetuukidde mwesigwa kati. Nabanja lyawo. Nabanja yingira mu nsonga ya mwesigwa munango ntwase mwesigwa. Kubanga obampayiriza kubanga sibijjukira bulungi. But mwesigwa, you see what you are saying. Omanyize kindabye wano mu Uganda kunyooma. Simanyi kunyooma obutafaayo obutawuliriza mwesigwa sooka owulirize onakolagana Nabanja oluvannyuma. Simanyi oba kunyooma oba ki kubanga owulira mwesigwa byagamba omujjuzo oguli mu district hospital Mukono gyagamba is already a district hospital. Kayunga is a district hospital. The plan was decentralize all those problems to the health center 3 so that you have got less numbers. Omujjuzo ogwo ebitanda biweddewo okusula ku lubalaza okuzaala in the veranda. It is because the plan was never listened to. Because how many people are giving birth in a sub-county? They are not the same numbers when you gather to, you bring all the Bakunja, you bring all the other people, they all come to Mukono. The number is bigger. So there's some issue of discipline. Mulago here, Mulago is supposed to be a referral hospital. But people turned it into a primary health care hospital. Womusujja wekidukano again Mulago. Even when we built Kawempe, we built this other one Chirudu, said mutandikire bonna. So the issue of discipline. I think also the leaders don't insist. Because if there was, you count how many health centers I will check when I come in the afternoon on the rally. I will talk about it. How many health centers we have now? Do you know?
Your Excellency, we have 1,553 health center 3s. 1,500.
And how many were the old sub-counties?
They were less than 1,000.
No, they were like 1,200.
And then we have 230 health center 4s. Because where we put a health center 3, where we had a health center 4, we don't put health center 3. So if you add 1,500 health center 3s, then 2,030 health center 4s, that gives you 1,700 sub-counties, each with a health unit.
Yes. Yes. So I can conclude here, Mwesugwa, and all of you, by giving you example of our time. Mom and myself, we were born in a place called Ruhama. Ruhama was together with Rwampara. They were one. It was all called Rwampara. Now, that time, what they were calling a dispensary, what you can call a health center 3, was only one in Chinoni. Now, Chinoni is 25 miles from Ntungamo, where we were born, and is 15 miles from Mbarara. And Rwampara would go from Mbarara on the way to Kabare up to mile 48. And we had only one health center, equivalent to one health center 3. Now, all those sub-counties have health center 3s. The ones over Rwampara, Muizi, Bugamba, Biaranga can check for me later on. You tell me how many health center 3s are in Rwampara. The old Rwampara, which was Rwampara Rahama, how many are there now? I know that in our time it was one. So that was our strategy. Have more health centers so that you deal with all the prevention there. What should be going to the district hospital should be, we even provided for surgery at the health center 4. Surgery at health center 4. But they don't use it. Babuka. So they all come and... Thank you so much.
You asked for 6, and the last one is this one.
Oh,